The ASUS ZenScreen Go MB16AWP is one of the best wireless monitors that comes with a 15.6 inches wide portable monitor paired with a full HD 1080p LED display panel along with an anti-glare coating and super narrow bezels. It is an ideal option for casual gaming and working with its standard 60Hz refresh rate panel. With its 178 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle, the display offers constant colors across the panel for an amazing cinematic experience. However, its effortless wireless mirroring will support Android, iOS, and Windows 10, and above. Apart from built-in Wi-Fi, its rich connectivity with two USB Type-C and mini HDMI ports, and an earphone jack. It offers two embedded 1-watt speakers with a smart amplifier, whereas its built-in G sensor will enable an auto-rotation feature that will sense the display orientation and automatically switches to portrait or landscape modes. The rear tripod socket is quite compatible with any standard camera tripod. It is designed for comfortable viewing either by its fold-out kickstand and 1/4 inch threaded hole. It has a built-in 7800 mAh battery that works continuously for up to 3.5 hours. The ASUS offers a 1-year manufacturing warranty to this ZenScreen Go portable wireless monitor and a 1-month free Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Best features of this item: wireless sleek, 11.5mm, and portable monitor. Full HD 1080p resolution panel to extend its workspace. Comes with a 1 year of manufacturing warranty. ASUS blue light filter, 4 levels, to protect from harmful blue light. Includes 2 USB-C ports and a mini HDMI port for rich connectivity. Compatible with iOS, Chrome, Android OS, and Windows devices. Pros of this item: Wi-Fi, Miracast, and AirPlay-based connectivity. A trusted brand for various users. G sensor with auto rotation mode. Long-lasting battery with 3.5 hours of usage. Designed to have comfortable viewing either with a fold-out kickstand or 1/4 inch threaded hole.